All right, this is going over number 9 on the homework for 9.4 day 2. The common ratio for geometric sequence is just the number that you are multiplying by, right? So basically here, the first thing I would think is that r has to be something that's less than 1. If we are getting smaller, then we must be multiplying by something that is less than 1, right? And so one quick trick if you're having a hard time finding r is you can divide two consecutive terms. So I'm going to take 64 and 48 consecutive terms. And so the question becomes like, which way do I divide them? Do I do 48 divided by 64? Sorry for the terrible handwriting there. Or do I take 64 divided by 48? All right, that would be my starting question. Okay, and then since it has to be less than 1, this one's not going to make any sense because we'd be getting bigger then. So this must be my correct ratio. And if you divide that on a calculator, you get 0.75. Right? And so that is the right answer, but to kind of check it, we could take like 64 and multiply it by 0.75 and see if I get 48, and then multiply that by 0.75 again to see if I get 36. So I would probably do that just to be safe. So I'm going to do 64 times what I think the right ratio is, and that does give me the next term in the sequence, 48. So I'm going to multiply by that one more time, make sure I get the right thing. Looks like that's 36. So it looks like it is correct to say we are multiplying by 0.75 here. Okay, and again, I got that by dividing two consecutive terms, and the order you can figure out by thinking about doesn't need to be above or below 1.